Mi gente, que más? Nico Santana here. So I've been sharing a lot of the great new features that DistroKid has been launching recently through Instagram, and I wanted to share and update you guys on something cool that HyperFollow, the landing page, allows you to do now. So as you know, I've been partnering up with DistroKid these past couple months to share some insights on how DistroKid works to allow artists to not only step up their game in distributing their music to over 150 different digital music platforms, but also some great features that allow you to step up your game with your marketing, with your content production, so on and so forth. HyperFollow is no stranger to this particular bundle of features that you have access to as an artist whenever you sign up. And by the way, if you're not already signed up and you are making music, go ahead and use my link to save 7% off an already dirt cheap annual plan. $19.99 a year is where they start off. You can get an additional 7% off using my link here, distrokid.com/VIP/Nico Santana. Let's get back into it real quick. So as I was saying, HyperFollow is an amazing feature that DistroKid gives you whenever you launch a new song or you're doing a pre-save campaign or what have you. You already have access to this HyperFollow. You can customize it with the stores that you want to include on this landing page, and then from there you can go ahead and push it by sharing the link on your social media platforms. The cool thing, however, is just as distribution is super important to have or to allow you to have your music readily available to be accessed around the world on over 150 different digital music platforms, which again is what DistroKid allows you to do, with HyperFollow, you can now include your Facebook pixel. If you're not familiar with Facebook and Instagram marketing, this is super clutch and super important. Things like retargeting campaigns and being able to identify your audiences and getting in front of the right people is super important. And that's why Facebook Pixel allows you to do that even more specifically. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a website and you've already included your Facebook Pixel on that website. Great, that's awesome. Now you can go ahead and target the people that have already visited your website with a campaign through your HyperFollow page. So that means that you can launch Facebook ads or Instagram ads or both and target those people that have already listened to your music or visited your website in the past and show them that you have a new song coming out so that they can pre-save it. Maybe they're not following you on Instagram, or maybe they're really not on Instagram like that and they haven't had a chance to see some of your latest posts. Well, that will give them a friendly reminder so that they can now either follow you or make sure that they're tuning into your new release. Same thing with your already released music. You can go ahead and launch some campaigns to potentially target artists that are, people that listen to artists like you. Let's say you sound like a specific artist. Well, the great thing is you can go ahead and launch a campaign on Instagram or Facebook, target those people, those fans, and with the Facebook Pixel tracking mechanism, and I'm getting high level here, you can make sure that those people are actually clicking through not only to your HyperFollow page, but to the specific platform you're trying to get them to, whether it's Spotify, Apple Music, or any other platform for that matter. So make sure you take full advantage of this. This is huge, guys. Very, very important. Learn how to do Facebook and Instagram marketing. It's a really good skill to have overall, not just for your own music, but something that you can offer as a service down the line if you ever want to, do that for other clients. It's something that I personally do on the side as well, and to get your music in front of people. Again, have your music readily available by distributing it to over 150 different digital music platforms. And then on top of that, make sure that you're marketing the right way using whatever tools you have available, including HyperFollow. So hope you guys succeed. Hope you guys achieve your goals. People need to hear what you have to say and the talent that you have. So make sure that you do it the right way, and do it by signing up on DistroKid. Use my referral link. And then if you have any questions on how to run any of this, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. I'd love to help out. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more in-depth things like this here in the near future. youtube.com/Nico Santana official. And let's get it, mi gente.